Hello guys, welcome to another video of Digital's Earth. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can use Windows RDP inside your Android device. You can also use this inside your iPhone. Okay, you can simply go to their app store and download the app that I will tell you in this video. Okay, so first of all, you people need to buy some RDP. So I have already bought, and now you can go into Play Store. I'm just opening my Play Store. Here it is. Now you need to type RD Desktop. Okay, so this is the app. This is a very legit app. This is by Microsoft Corporations, and it has many good reviews as well. You can simply install this. I've just started the installation, and let me just download it. Okay, it might take some time. And now installing. And now you just need to simply open this app and accept. And now here you can add multiple PCs. You can add it by simply clicking on the plus sign at the right top. And now they are asking you about the PC details, your IP address, your host name, your password, and all these. I have already purchased. I will also show you a website where you can purchase with prices starting from just $1. So I am simply putting my IP address. Okay, so now they are asking me when required. Okay, so I will just go with the add with user account. Okay, and the user account name is administrator. It might vary in your case, but mostly the administrator is used. Okay, so now they are asking us about password, if there is any. So I am just copying my password, and here I am just putting it down. Okay, so paste it here and click save. Now just save inside your system as well, and I just did that, and now PC is option is there. So I just opened it up and click connect. Now my Android device is being connected with that PC which I have already bought. Okay, so this is very simple. You can see it's just opening up as a window as it shows inside your PC. Okay, so there is nothing else inside this. You can check properly. Let me just show you let me open the Windows, click here, and see it's just similar to the Windows that is inside PCs, inside desktop PCs or laptops. Is it just simply that way? You can easily assess these things. Okay, so now let me show you a website where you can buy admin RDPs at very reasonable prices. So this is the website known as buyrdponline.com. This is very cheap. This is very reasonable. This is very good website. Your plans starting from just $1. Okay, you can also buy the yearly plans. You can also buy at different locations, London, UK, USA, or Canada, or anywhere else. Okay, so these are very reasonable, and you can use this website. I will also give a link in the description section. Okay, so this was all from this lesson. I hope you have understood. If there are any questions, you can ask me in comment section. I will definitely reply you there, and meet you in the next video. Until then, bye.